Hi, Mark Reedy here. In this video I'm going to show you real quickly how to search for parts inventory by part description. So up here at the top I'm going to click on this drop down next to the search and change it to by description. So we're going to search by description. So now if I wanted to search for, say, the word shock, and this would search for everything that starts with the word shock. So any part description that starts with the word shock is going to show up in that list. Now if I wanted to search for example, a keyword or a word that falls inside of the description, so maybe it's not the first word, but it could be the second or the third word, what we can do here is we can use what's called a wildcard. So it's an asterisk, and I'm going to type that in there, so the little star, and then I'm going to type in the word, break. Not sure if anything starts with shock in this database, or it has shock in the middle. So I'm going to type in the word break preceded by an asterisk. So I'm going to click search, and so now we can see we've got brake hose, we have valve spring brake, we have brake kit steer axle, and let's see here, we have clutch brake. So we found the word brake in any description. Now you can do the same thing when you're actually searching for a part to add to a work order as well, if you use the more search feature. So I'm going to go ahead and go into a work order, and we'll just go ahead and click on new work order. I'm going to go over here to the parts and material used, click here to add a part, and I'm just going to close that little drop down. I'm going to click on this more search inventory button. I'm going to change it to description, and now I'm going to type in the word brake, and you can see it's got everything starting with the word brake, and I can use the wildcard there with the asterisk before the word brake to find the word brake anywhere in the description. And you can see we have that valve spring brake now, clutch brake down here. So then to add this part to the work order, you just double click on it, and that brings it in to the work order for you. Alright, hopefully that's helpful. Thanks for watching. Have a good one. Take care.